Hi everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to import a planner cover into your digital planner from Bloom Daily Planners in the Zoto app. Zoto is a free app that's available on Apple and Android devices as well as desktops. For today's demo, I'll be showing you how to import a planner cover into Zoto on an iPad Pro. If you like the planner used in this tutorial, you can find it along with our other digital products in our Etsy shop linked in the description down below. The first thing you need to do is navigate to your digital planner purchase on Etsy. Make sure you are using your internet browser to access Etsy and not the Etsy app. Once you're on Etsy, click your profile picture, then click the Purchases or Your Orders button, and once you get to your orders, navigate to your Bloom Planners purchase, and then click the Download Files button. Once you click that button, you will be sent to another page with a little thank you note. Scroll down until you see a download button and click that. This will start a download for a text file that will include a link to download your Bloom Digital Planner or sticker pack. Once you open the text file, copy the link and paste it into your internet browser on your iPad. This will bring you to a Dropbox where you can now download your digital planner or sticker files. So to download your digital planner cover, you're going to click on the folder named Cover PNGs. This will open the folder, and now you can see all the cover PNG files contained within it. However, we're still in our internet browser and we want to download the files onto our iPad so we can then use them in our planner. So to do that, we're going to click the download button in the top left, and this will start the download for the entire folder. Be patient as it can take a few minutes to download the file. Once it's finished downloading, you can switch back over to your Zoto app. Once you're in Zoto, navigate to the planner you want to place your cover in and then choose the Insert Tool menu. Once you bring that toolbar up, you want to select the second icon. This is the Insert Image icon. Next, tap the spot you want to place your cover and a menu will appear giving you three options: Camera, Photo Library, or Files. Since we downloaded the covers from our internet browser, they're going to be located in our files. So click the File button and then navigate to your Downloads folder. Inside that folder, you should find your Cover PNG folder with all your cover designs inside. Tap the cover you want to place in your planner and it will now be inserted. You can then tap your cover to select it and drag it to position it where you want it. To resize it, simply tap the cover and then press and hold your finger on one of the blue circles in the corners and drag it in or out to make it larger or smaller. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or reach out to us on any of our social medias. Happy planning!